always thought that when I would bring my first child into this world, it would be a community celebration. I always dreamt of mine. At least I know I have. I dreamt of this moment a long time ago. But I didn't know that my story would change far from the dreams I had always had. You see, my husband and I moved to Dallas, Texas a little while ago, and we just welcomed our child into this world 2 days ago. At exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, my perfect bundle of joy came into this world. Obinna, my gift from God. But something happened. Something that weighed on my spirit. With such brutal weight, it crushed my joy. Something dark happened. When we brought our son, my Obinna, home, it was quiet. A deafening silence that shook me from my core. It was too quiet. This was not the way I thought I would welcome Obinna. This was not the way I thought I would bring forth a son. I sat in the silence. I embraced it. I broke bread with it. I couldn't see the joy that every mother would experience when they brought a child home.
Ada. What's wrong?
It's too quiet. Back home, in my ancestral home, there would be music. There would be laughter. There would be joy as I brought home my son. My aunties would be clapping, the neighbors would be dancing, the children in the neighborhood celebrating. But here, it was just me and my husband and the silence. No joy. Even worse, no village. Oh, I was sad.
One house. Igbo kwenu.
Hey!
Kwenu.
Hey!
UIU Dallas. Kwenu.
Hey!
Well, now let's welcome members.
Membership. So there's a new Igbo couple that just moved here to Dallas, and they just had a baby. Small kid. So we should welcome them to our community, but the Igbo way.
You mean the proper Omuwo way?
Yes. Imagine you're a new couple, they don't have any family nearby. That's what UIU is for. Community.
Mm-hmm.
So we should use this opportunity to welcome them as new members and celebrate Mother's Day.
110 beds.
Yes.
I like the sound of that feeling. because our convention this year, the theme is about Obodai for the community. So I think it's a good idea. And again, who's in? I hope I'm Joyce.
The moon was high, the stars were cold. I walked this road I used to know.
But my heart ached for some time. My heart ached for the sounds of home, for the beating of drums, for the singing of my people. My heart ached for the sounds of my people welcoming a newborn into his first journey through life. I missed home. The aroma of all the meals my aunties and my mom would prepare to welcome me as a new mother into their clan. I longed for home.
I gave my pain, I gave my breath, brought life.
In this silence I sat. Even my little son suffered for my sadness. I even began to neglect his innocent cries. And my husband, my poor husband couldn't fathom my pain. I know he meant well, but he kept reminding me that we were not alone, but all I could feel was that we were indeed alone.
I'm worried about you.
Open them. Oh, I'm well. I'm just here. It's a 2-week-old baby. Just get 2 weeks or newborn size. Or just ask someone at the store. Just ask somebody at the store. They'll help you. Just ask someone. Peppers from us. Yes. Okay, see.
But what I didn't know, what I did not know, a village was gathering for me. A village was gathering for me. Strangers, at least I thought they were, who knew what it meant to feel far from everything. They chose to show up for me. exactly how I dreamed about it many years ago. They chose to make a home for me. Oh, this was the beginning of joy, unknown to me.
Chisom, yes? Last time, you said that you wanted to help cook. This time, you're just here gisting and talking. What's going on? Okay, so can you please, all of you, come and wash your hands and come and help us cook. You go. Officer.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for the wrapper for the dance, okay? Don't go to the family. Right, tie it on your waist. I'm not saying tie it short to long. I want to see legs. I'm not using the blade here. Okay, so we do like it. Tie it long. If I see legs, you're out. Okay, sorry, you're like in America. If you need help, only me can tie short, Sha. You need the help, eh? Only you rap and wine. You are good. Only you rap and wine.
We'd already have the ladies dancing inside there.
They're singing, dancing, and shouting.
They don't even cook self. We hear them. They smell them.
I don't think they shout. I could see put a Maya to this put their side. You know, so I brew wine at least, you know. For sure. Bro, Adaora, thank you so much for allowing us to house. Because I know it's very, very scattered arrangement. Thank you so much.
Ada, do you hear that?
Hear what?
I hear noise.
I don't hear anything. I hear something. The sound of music was. In that moment, I wasn't just a new mother anymore. I was home. Oh, I was home. They brought it to me. The laughter, the music, all the love. Oh, Umune, all the love. They brought it to me. Yes, finally.
I told you. We're not alone.
Hey, I need a roll.
Oh?
I need a roll.
What is your?
Suppose you take once in one.
Take once in one. Action.
Oh,
You came here for this set. Go back where you're coming from.
I they get you now for video.
Onye nụrụ akwa nwa e.
Ada, hey, Ada, come on, everybody do it. Get her out of here. When you were a baby, I used to breastfeed you. What? You're welcome to the family.
Welcome.
So I got some ingredients and I got the yams so that we can make some pepper soup for the family.
Oh.
I just how tall do you think you are? Okay, Sarah.
They don't teach you rubbish.
UIU.